Ano nga ba ang nilalaman netong BIR box mga babayan na tila kinatatakutang mabuksan ng kampo netong si VP Sara Duterte? Okay, so yan po yung ating alamin ngayon at pag-uusapan, pero syempre bago ang lahat, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share at comment dyan sa comment section. Okay, so ito, nagsalita na nga po itong si Representative Jervil Ruistro, mga kababayan. Luistro ha, ayan, nabubulol tayo ng konti. Mukhang naninibago tayo. Okay, so sabi po niya dito mga kababayan, we will be looking forward na sana itong BIR box na ito ay mabuksan na. No? Sapagkat karapatan po ng sambayanang Pilipino na malaman at makita ang nilalaman neto. Kung kayo po ang tatanungin mga kababayan, no, dapat po ba na mabuksan itong BIR box mga kababayan, no, na di umano ay may nilalaman po na mahalagang dokumento, no, na makapagsasabi o makapagtuturo o makakapagpapaliwanag, no, dito po mga kababayan sa mga tagong yaman ni Sara Duterte. No? Dapat bang mabuksan yan at malaman po ng taong bayan? Okay, so i-comment po sa ibaba yung inyong mga opinion at atin yung pag-usapan. Alright? Okay, so ito po, no, yung full video po mga babayan ng press conference na itong sila Congressman Luistro, mga babayan. Okay, so panoorin po natin yan para naman po mas maliwanagan tayo, no? Ano nga ba, no, ang nilalaman netong box na to at tila napaka-controversial, no, neto pong BIR box ng mga Duterte, mga babayan ni Sara Duterte at ng kanyang asawa na si Man Scarpio. Bakit ayaw kaya itong pabuksan mga kababayan? May mabubunyag pa? Okay, so ito, panoorin po natin. Alright, let's go.
Representative Jervil Lustro.
Good afternoon. So, to give an update, natapos na po ang marking of exhibits and na-terminate na rin ang pre-trial conference. Of course, we expressed our thanks and gratitude.
Okay, so natapos na po yung pre-trial conference mga kababayan ngayong Huwebes. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, namarkahan na po lahat, no, ng mga ebidensya, dokumento, no, namarkahan na rin po kung sino yung mga tetestigo mga kababayan sa impeachment trial po ni Sara Duterte, at aayusin na lang po lahat yan mga kababayan para mag-proceed na po, no, in preparation, no, doon po sa July 6 impeachment ni Sara Duterte.
To the impeachment court, sapagkat through the intervention of the impeachment court, nakatapos kaming magmarka, especially with voluminous documents pertaining to the article on unexplained wealth and the article on confidential fund, no? You will remember that during the first PDC, we agreed that the offer of stipulation of facts will just be submitted in writing, no? At lahat po ng comments, counter stipulations to the proposed stipulation of facts were already submitted as well to the impeachment court. We also inquired kung gaano ba katagal ang magiging proceedings during the trial. They pronounced that it will start at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I asked kung ilang oras ba ang ide-dedicate dito sa impeachment trial, because that is very material for us to determine kung ilan talaga ang trial dates na kakailanganin namin. Kung mahaba ang igugol na oras sa impeachment trial, we may be able to present 2 witnesses per trial date. Otherwise, kung maigsi, baka isang witness lang per trial date, no? But again, that concern is likewise submitted to the impeachment court. And then we put on record our observation about the common exhibits, that in spite of the willingness of the prosecution, that we share the marking in the same exhibit, because after all, it is exactly the same. That's why we call it common exhibit. The defense maintained their position to put their marking on a separate set of documents. I placed on record that that position of the defense actually prolonged the process of pre-marking of the exhibits of both the defense and the prosecution.
Okay, so sinasabi po dito mga babayan, dahil dun sa ginawa, no, ng defense ni Sara Duterte, no, lalo pong tumagal, no, yung pagtatatak po ng mga dokumento.
If you can imagine, we're talking about the same documents, pero iba ang marking, iba ang what do you call this, comparison with respect to the prosecution at separate pa yung sa defense. So, in our
Imagine ninyo yun, nasayang yung oras, mga babayan, no? So, tila baga parang ang plano is patagalin, no? Ito pong pre-trial na to, mga babayan. Kaso, no? Kaso, natapos kagad. Bakit kaya? Sabihan natin, delaying tactic siguro, no, yung ginagawa nila. Patagalin yung proseso ng impeachment ni Sara Duterte. No, sa pre-trial patatagalin nila yung proseso, mga babayan. 'Di ba? Pagurin lahat itong mga tao na 'to. No, parang parang gusto nila magsisi sila. No, na bakit meron pang impeachment kay Sara Duterte. Parang gano'n yung gusto nilang gawin dito. Magsisi kayo. No? Ginusto nyo yan eh. Di magpakapagod kayo. Okay, so ito, tuloy natin.
estimate na 5 minutes per document perhaps on one party because they have to mark on exactly the same piece of document but on a separate copy. So nagiging times 2 yung dedicated na time, no? So that's one. We also manifested again our observation about the seeming inclusion of the same witnesses of the prosecution and the same exhibits of the prosecution, no? We understand na sabay nag-file ng pre-trial brief, but you will remember yung ebidensya ng prosecution that has been publicized as early as 19th Congress during the Inquiry in Aid of Legislation of the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, then presided by Congressman Joel Chua, na nasa tabi ko, di ba? Yun namang ibang ebidensya doon was publicized during the clarificatory hearing of the Justice Committee, also in line with this impeachment trial, no? So, we just registered it in the records of the impeachment court, our observation that a significant number of witnesses and exhibits of the prosecution is likewise listed in the list of exhibits and witnesses of the defense. And we also registered our observation that the purpose for the presentation of their witness is very general, very vague. And that is why we filed our manifestation last June 22. That is for the defense to specify the purpose for the presentation of their witness. Kasi the observation is same witness as the prosecution. And that is why we find it strange. While they can raise their questions during cross, why do they have to present them during their direct? No? Kung kaya mo namang itanong during cross, why do you have to present them during their direct? And pertaining to the pieces of evidence and witnesses of the prosecution. But then again, we would like to acknowledge that prerogative yan ng defense to determine kung anong ebidensya ang gusto nilang ilatag. Sa amin lang, we are requesting for them to specify the purpose because we really find it strange na yung ebidensya ng prosecution, yun din ang ebidensya ng depensa. Tapos pagdating dun sa exhibits, parehas yung documents nyo, they refuse to mark on the same document. At ang gusto nila, separate set of documents. But again, we would like to express that we recognize that the defense's prerogative to maintain that position, no? So, ultimately, we reiterated the last manifestation which we filed, no? Kasama dito yung opening of the BIR box. As a matter of fact, we requested the impeachment court and the defense to join us in our position to open the sealed box because after all, we received that sealed box in our exercise of our compulsory process during the hearing of the Justice Committee of the House of Representatives. We issued a subpoena to the Commissioner of the BIR and for the production of the income tax return of both the respondent and the spouse. However, when the BIR submitted to us and complied with us, what we received is a sealed box. So we do not even know, really, the pieces of documents inside. Although we understand na ang hiningi namin doon sa subpoena is ITR of the respondent and the spouse.
So may tinatago ba? Yun naman pala yun. Ang hinihingi, dokumento, mga babayan. Ang dinala po, sealed na box. Oh. May something fishy. Ha?
This is very relevant because we will be able to know, to present before the impeachment court, the lawful personal income of the respondent and the spouse, no? And by knowing their lawful income, baka ma-justify nila yung mga acquisitions, which will be seen also in the other documents of the prosecution, no? But nevertheless, the defense registered their vehement objection to the opening. They invoke due process kahit wala namang nalalabag na karapatan dito because this is just a marking of exhibit. As a matter of fact, you cannot question the admissibility of the evidence yet sapagkat yun ay dapat sa formal offer of exhibits mo palang gagawin. Pagdating dito sa marking, it is purely the prerogative of the prosecution kung ano gustong pamarkahan. Di ba? And as a matter of fact, this is the right time, correct time for the marking. So that is why, when we heard their objection to the opening of the sealed box, we just contained ourselves with the marking of the sealed box, which they opposed as well. Ako yung nagtataka kung ano kayang nakakatakot dun sa pagmamarka ng sealed box. Silyado nga. Ang pinamamarkahan ng prosecution, because they do not want to open the box, ang pinamamarkahan na lang is yung sealed box. So that we will just be submitting to the impeachment court the issue of whether to open or not the BIR box.
So pinapahirapan talaga nila mga kababayan, no, ng defense team ito pong prosecution. No, kasi ayaw nila buksan yung laman ng box. No, para tatakan. No, ang ginawa nila yung mismong box ang pinatatatakan. So it's up to the prosecution panel, no, na ma-convince, no, itong impeachment court kung bubuksan o hindi yung pong box na yan.
But sadly, they opposed the opening of the BIR box. They opposed as well the marking of the sealed BIR box. Nakakalungkot po ito sapagkat doon sa House of Representatives, we decided not to open kahit alam namin karapatan ng taong bayan malaman na kung anong nilalaman nun. We decided not to open because we believe in the power of the impeachment court. Pagdating ho pala namin dito sa impeachment court, mahihirapan pa rin kami sa pagbubukas ng BIR box. So we will be looking forward na sana itong BIR box na ito ay mabuksan na sapagkat karapatan ho ng sambayan ng Pilipino na malaman at makita ang nilalaman nito. Maraming salamat po. You can raise questions to my colleagues.
Hello po, good evening. I'm Lance po from Newswatch Plus. So, regarding po sa BIR box, safe to say no, that the decision on this mangyayari na mismo sa trial proper sa mismong paglilitis.
The motions have already been presented to the court. I understand some oppositions will be filed. So the court may decide that either before or during the first day of the trial. Hindi natin masasabi. Nasa kanila yun.
And then, kanina po, I'd just like to see comment and then perhaps from the lead prosecutor. Earlier, the defense spokesperson, Attorney Michael Poe, said that regarding the appearance of Vice President Duterte on the impeachment trial, he said that depende daw po yun kung kakailanganin, depende sa advice nila bilang mga abogado kung kailangan na mag-appear si VP Sara doon sa mangyayaring paglilitis. Sa inyo po ba, kailangan po bang nandun si VP Sara?
I understand that that is her prerogative, whether to appear or not. And her non-appearance will simply be deemed as an entry of a plea of not guilty. Nevertheless, in my personal opinion, appearing before the impeachment court is likewise a constitutional duty, which public officials must comply. This is what we meant by public offices in public trust, and public officials must be accountable to the people at all times.
Good evening po. I'm Jairo Boleto from Rappler. Just a procedural question. If ever the impeachment court decides to open the box, will they open the box like sila po mismo or will they subpoena the BIR itself to open the box according to tax code po ba or ano po ba implementing rules na? Thank you po.
For the record, yun pong box na yon ay transmit ng House dito sa Senate when we transmitted the articles of impeachment. So it is in the custody of the Senate. So I don't know, to your question, whether mangangailangan pa ba sila ng sabina, when in fact, the sealed BIR box is already in the custody of the Senate.
Hello, good evening po. Angelo po from...
Parang ganito yung kay ERAP, no? Yung pinagtalunan yung, yung envelope. Kung bubuksan o hindi.
Kung despite na hindi po nabuksan itong BIR box, masasabi niyo pa rin po ba na pumabos sa inyo itong pre-trial?
Definitely. Sapagkat ever since our objective is to finish expeditiously, no? That is why during the first PTC, madaming nire-raise yung defense, which clearly are not within the purview of the pre-trial conference. We opted not to engage with the defense with respect to the issues which are being raised, like the determination of two-thirds threshold, no? The allegation that we did not transmit all the exhibits and documents to the respondent. It was a clear position not to engage with those issues because our objective ever since is to finish this pre-trial conference expeditiously. And that is why we would like to express our thanks to the impeachment court because the goal was achieved. Because just today, the pre-trial conference has been terminated.
Kung isa na lang po. Aside po sa napakadaming documents, ano pa po yung ibang nakikita nyo na pinakamalaking hamon kung bakit tumagal po itong pre-trial?
Well, unang-una, kagaya ng binanggit kanina ni Chair Jinky, doon sa marking of evidence, sa isang dokumento po pwede naman po na both yung prosecution at saka yung defense, sa isang dokumento pwede magmarkahan na parehas dyan para maka-save tayo ng oras. Pero pinilit pa rin po nila na magmarka sila ng sarili nilang dokumento samantalang parehas lang naman ang nilalaman at content nitong dalawang dokumento. So, kagaya ng kaniyang binabanggit, kung halimbawa yung pagmamarka ng isang dokumento tumatagal na 5 minuto, nadodoble. Kasi bukod sa pagmamarka, pipirmahan pa to ng mga both ng prosecution and defense at saka ng mga doon sa impeachment court. So, dumadami at humahaba yung proseso, nadodoble.
Pero kung sabi po ni Attorney Powa kahapon, may incident po daw sa markings na nagkulang po daw yung document nyo ng isang page.
Isolated lang po yun, hindi naman po sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Nangyayari naman po yan.
Dagdagan ko lang yung sinabi ni Kong Joel, ha? For DEP's document evidencing payment, no? For OVP and DepEd, we're talking about 1,900 plus for DepEd and 2,000 plus for OVP. 4,000 in total, no? So, mamarkahan niya ng prosecution individually. And then because they refuse to agree that we mark in the same document, then they have to mark as well those 4,000 exhibits, which likewise form part of their documents. 8,000 in total ang DEPs.
Kongs Mary Monreyes po from One News. Makikitanong lang din po sana, di ba po part ng pre-trial brief po ng prosec yung box? Tama po ba?
That's correct.
Okay po. So how does it work po ba? Nabanggit nyo dapat magpirmahan. So since hindi pumayag ang defense, walang pirmahan nangyari po tungkol doon sa box to be marked?
Well, wala namang permahang mangyayari, no? Except that they manifested their intention to file comment, which we interpreted as objection to our position to open the box. But your question earlier as to whether that box is part of the pre-trial brief and the manifestation, yes, they are part. Not only the contents, but even the sealed box itself.
Pero hindi naman po ibig sabihin na hindi siya namarkahan. Well, for the record lang din po for soundbite, hindi naman porket hindi siya namarkahan ngayon, out of the presentation na po siya.
It will be subject to the judgment, prerogative of the impeachment court. But of course, ito po'y karapatan ng sambayan ng Pilipino na makita kung anong nilalaman ng box. Hindi po kami naglakas ng loob sa House because we understand that we are not the impeachment court. But we have the highest regard to the impeachment court na dito makikita na ng sambayan ng Pilipino ang laman ng BIR box. But to our surprise, tinanggihan buksan at tinanggihan ding markahan even the sealed box.
Kung just a follow-up question on the
Dagdag ko lang po.
Ay, sorry po. Sige po. Kong.
But can you ask your follow-up questions? Baka,
Sige po. Just a follow-up question po, Kong, so on the BIR. If ever po, hypothetically, hindi po umayon po yung impeachment court on the prosecution's favor, halimbawa po, hypothetically, would the two articles, specifically on the confidential funds and the unexplained wealth, still stand despite the absence of the BIR? Thank you.
Malakas pa rin ang aming ebidensya dito sa unexplained wealth. In fact, ito ay mas makakadagdag lamang ng linaw. At, well, kagaya po na binabanggit kanina ni Chair Jinky, hindi naman natin alam kung ano naman ito. Pwede naman ito ay maging dahilan para ma-justify nila yung kanilang ari-arian. Pero kaya nga nakakalungkot po kanina dahil ang SecGen naman kanina, yung tumatayong clerk of court ng Senate, ay hindi naman po pwedeng magdesisyon. Kaya po ito ay hindi na desisyonan kanina.
yung ay umaasa kami na when we file that manifestation with certain proposals, and that includes the opening of the ballot of the BIR box and the inventory of the contents, kasi kailangan malaman na yung laman ng BIR box. Umaasa kami na walang magiging issue doon. Kasi sila mismo, doon din sa kanilang pre-trial brief, ay meron din silang reserve evidence and relating to BIR submissions. So katulad mo sa sa pre-trial brief na sinabit ng prosecution, meron doon about tax records and reserved documents, and therefore, ganon din doon sa defense, meron din silang ganon na plano to submit BIR submissions. So why are they refusing now to open and make an inventory and find out the contents of that BIR box? Sila mismo rin may ganong reservation, may reserve evidence din sila pertaining to BIR submissions. Galing nga yun sa BIR. Nung pagkatulad ng binanggit kanina ni Chair Jinky, ay sinabit yun ng BIR Commissioner doon sa Justice Committee. Na tinansmit naman ng Justice Committee dito sa Senado. So nandyan na. And karapatan, prerogative ng any party, either or both parties, na magpamarka ng ano man ang intended evidence nila. So yun ang hindi namin po maintindihan kung bakit ginawa pang issue na hindi na dapat kunin or hingin yung permiso ng korte, ng impeachment court, kung nag-agree sana both parties, kung nag-agree yung defense, nabuksan na talaga at this point yung BIR box.
Tsaka kung wala naman po tinatago, buksan na natin yung box. Kung malinis
tama.
naman po yung kanilang konsyensya, di labas ang ebidensya.
Yun lang yun.
Follow-up question po regarding the marking of the box. Basically, kaya po hindi siya namarkahan kasi may objection from the other camp? Or is it because it's sealed, kaya hindi siya mamark as you would the other evidences?
Initially, what we are requesting is the opening. So that after the opening, we will be requesting the contents, the documents inside, to be marked. But since they opposed the opening, we contained with just marking the sealed box. Even the marking of the sealed box was opposed by the defense.
Pero kung
Ano yan parang ayaw nilang gamitin, no, yung sealed box na yun, mga kababayan. No, so may kinatatakutan sila. No, sa nilalaman nung sealed box na yun. 'Di ba? Kasi tandaan natin, no, yung marking po ng mga documents and mga exhibits na yan, no, lahat po yan. No, at kasama nga po itong box na to, mga kababayan. No, kapag yan po ay nagkaroon ng markings, pwede na po yan gamitin sa impeachment. So since hindi po yan pinirmahan, wala po yung markings, mga kababayan, so posibleng hindi po yan magamit na sa impeachment trial. 'Di ba? So doon pa lang, mga kababayan, no, ay nagkakaroon na po, mga kababayan, no, ng strategy, ito pong kampo ni Sara Duterte. Doon pa lang, parang hinaharang na nila, no, yung nilalaman ng sealed box na yun, ng BIR box, mga kababayan. May kinatatakutan ba sila doon sa box na yun, mga kababayan?
how would it work po kung hindi po siya ngayon umusad?
And that is why we registered our reservation as to the marking of the box, including its contents, because we understand that there's a rule that all the evidence must be pre-marked during PTC.
Diba?
Otherwise, you will not be able to present that during the trial. Nevertheless, the records will show that we really tried to have them marked, the contents, and when they oppose, at least the sealed BIR box. Di ko nga maintindihan Kayo ba? Ano bang nakakatakot dun sa selyadong BIR box na mamarkahan lang naman? Di ba?
Kung is it an unusual case po na may certain documentary evidence na hindi na
Yeah.
pre-mark? Or dito lang po sa case ng BIR Green Box?
Dito lang, kasi selyado nga yung box. If you will remember, it was presented during the Justice Committee. Pinagdebatehan niya ng Justice members. I think pinagbotohan pa nga. At ang nanalo, wag buksan, i-transmit na lang sa Senado. Of course, we would like to invoke the exclusive power of the Senate to try and decide all impeachment cases. Nasa trial na tayo, di ba? So dapat may kapangyarihan ng impeachment court to open it. And we do not understand kung bakit ito'y hindi bubuksan. Karapatan ng taong bayan malaman ang laman ng BIR box.
Okay, we will entertain one last question.
Yung sa akin po, procedural lang po. When do we expect the order, and then di pa po magre-respond po kayo? Ano po yung mga babantayan nyo that would warrant a response? Because I understand, pwede rin po hindi kayo mag-respond kung wala namang dapat sabihin.
The defense was given until tomorrow afternoon to file their comment to our two manifestations, no? Yung isa is our request to specify the purpose for the presentation of documents and witnesses, especially those na kagaya ng sa prosecution. Second is their comment to our second manifestation. That is with respect to the use of English and Filipino as official language for the trial. The participation of the public and private in the presentation of the witness. And ultimately, itong opening of the BIR box. So they were given by the impeachment court until tomorrow afternoon to file their comments, no? And for us naman, naka-file naman yung manifestation namin. We will just be waiting for the PTO, at kung may concern kami on the contents of the pre-trial order, then we're allowed to file our respective comments, both the defense and the prosecution.
Alright, maraming salamat po.
Alright, so yung mga kababayan, no? So yung po yung nakakapagtaka dun, ano yung kinatatakutan nila? Bakit ayaw nilang buksan? Ito pong mga box na to, mga kababayan. O ito pong box ng BIR, mga kababayan. O sa palagay ninyo, bakit kaya? Okay, comment na lang po sa ibaba yung inyong mga opinion na natin yung pag-usapan. Alright? So yan muli, kita-kits po tayo sa ating next video upload. Ito po muli ang inyong Kuya Mobs. Shoutouts po sa lahat ng mga subscribers at followers natin dyan. Alright? Peace. I'm out.